Hello everybody, Matt Martin, National Grand Bank. It's July, beautiful weather. Where else would you rather be than the greatest town in America, Marblehead? After a very successful weekend with Festival of Arts, we're gonna head down to the water, grab some lunch, and check out my friends at Little Harbor Lobster Company. I'm here with Bryn from Little Harbor Lobster Company. Bryn, you guys have been supporting Marblehead and the local community for years now, all with the freshest seafood sourced right here from your backyard from local fishermen. You guys are really known for your lobster rolls, but while I destroy this poke bowl, why don't you tell us what else you're known for?
Thank you, Matt. As you mentioned, Little Harbor Lobster Company has been around for years. In fact, the first fish market opened in this very location back in 1920. The O'Keefe family and I have combined experience in commercial fishing, lobstering, and the food service industry, and came together to open the business back in 2016. As you might remember, it was formerly known as Marblehead Lobster Company, but we chose the name Little Harbor Lobster Company to honor the special history that is specific to our market's location. Our market overlooks Little Harbor, which is the site of the very first fishing station here in Marblehead and where the first settlers arrived. We bring a fresh, community-based market concept to serve both long-standing customers as well as our new guests.
Obviously, you have an outstanding poke bowl. Why don't you tell us a little more about your other offerings?
Happy to. Our market has a wide range of menu options. Along with our gluten-free menu, we have daily offerings such as lobsters by the pound, swordfish, halibut, sashimi-grade ahi tuna. We also offer a variety of shellfish like mussels, oysters, scallops, and shrimp. We have a very popular prepared foods menu too that features our award-winning lobster rolls, homemade chowders and bisques, as well as a weekly rotating special like our poke bowls, and up this week is fried sole sandwiches. If you're looking for something to drink with your meal, we offer craft beer as well as organic wine for purchase, and our knowledgeable staff can guide you if you have any questions about what might pair best with the seafood you're purchasing. We truly have created a boat-to-table customer experience.
Wow, you guys offer it all. Fresh seafood, prepared foods, an outstanding poke bowl, beer and wine, all with an outstanding view. Bryn, I want to thank you and your team for your commitment to Marblehead, the community, and the rest of the North Shore.
Thank you, Matt, and thanks to National Grand Bank. Our success is built on hard work and relationships in our community. Having a trusted and dependable banking partner allows us to grow our business with confidence and continue to serve the community we love so much.
What a great afternoon here at Little Harbor Lobster Company. Stay tuned next month to see where I head to next.